Hello, hello. It has been way too long. I have been away for weeks with a terrible bacterial infection in my lungs, but I'm back and I have a meditation for you today, one that I really need, and I think it's appropriate for me coming back. It's a meditation for starting over, starting fresh, and I hope that you like it. It's from my next book, Managing the Motherload. It is the last meditation in the book, so it's a little bit of a spoiler alert, but I hope that you'll still buy it and read it in August because I'm really excited about it. And I hope that it will serve you well because it was written for you, because I love you so much. What I want you to do right now, or what I want to invite you to do, is to make a decision to make this space, to make this time yours. I want you to inhale and exhale and allow that breath to be an energetic threshold, something that you use to cross over into a new space, a space that is warm and that's welcoming and that's going to hold you with love and compassion and safety during your meditation. So one more time, inhale deeply with me. Exhale, settle into the space. You create your space. You carve out this time. You set the intention to love yourself fully and to hold yourself dearly. You are so loved. You are so important. You are so precious. And you are so deserving of this time in healing, in gratitude, in restoration. If it feels comfortable for you, go ahead and close your eyes. If not, you can keep your eyes open and focused softly on your screen, on a point across the room, or right past the tip of your nose to the floor. Just allow yourself to settle in. I'm going to read a mantra, a prayer that I wrote for you. Again, it's in my new book. I want you to just receive the words with love and allow them to help you set an intention for going forward. This is a meditation for starting over, for new beginnings. I know that it's one that I have held very close to my heart over these past few weeks while I've been assessing my life and how I want to show up in this world and what I want to do next. You'll see some big changes ahead, and I hope that this opens you up to new and nurturing changes in your own life. Gentle universe, allow me to become aware of what's been planted and which seeds have cracked open for me. Grace me with the wisdom to nurture for now only what I can support emotionally, physically, and spiritually. Make clear the action steps that will bring what's sprouted to full bloom. Compel me to enjoy the fruits of my labor. Let me find comfort in surrendering to a process that nurtures my happiness. I'm going to say that last part again. Let me find comfort in surrendering to a process that nurtures my happiness. Surrender. The opposite of aggression, the opposite of forcing, the opposite of resistance. What does it feel like to surrender to all that you know in your heart to bring you happiness? Repeat surrender, either silently or out loud on the exhale. Inhale with me. Exhale, surrender. Surrender to what is. Surrender to what will be. Surrender to love. Surrender to even the things that we're scared of, but we know will lead us to a better place. Inhale. Exhale, surrender. With your eyes closed and keeping your attention on your breath, or your gaze set softly and focusing on those easy inhales and exhales, those easy, effortless, and natural inhales and exhales, listen to the mantra once more. Really hold it in your heart space. Allow it to settle into your cells. Suspend disbelief and allow it to become a new belief. Allow it to be a calling in of what's good and true and right for you. Gentle universe, allow me to become aware of what's been planted and which seeds have cracked open for me. Grace me with the wisdom to nurture for now only what I can support emotionally, physically, and spiritually. Make clear the action steps that will bring what's sprouted to full bloom. Compel me to enjoy the fruits of my labor. And let me find comfort in surrendering to a process that nurtures my happiness. Look only at the seeds that have cracked open for you. Hold only what you can, physically, emotionally, spiritually, and nothing more. Know what is for you. Let go of all that isn't. Ideas, tasks, worries. This is your time. This is your fresh start. This moment, this day. I'm going to lead you through 3 sets of inhales and exhales to wake you back up to the outside world. Inhale deeply. Exhale, release. Inhale. Exhale, feel just a little bit more energized. Inhale. Exhale, prepare to open your eyes. That's it. Welcome back. I hope that you have an amazing day. I want to remind you that every moment is yours to start brand new. Every moment is yours to say, I am deciding right now to let go of what was, to embrace what is, and to look forward to what will be. It is yours. It is yours. You have that choice. You have that power. This life is your own. What you carry is your decision. Okay? Let's start over together. Yay! All right, I love you guys. I will see you on Wednesday. I will with another live video. I will see you in my group. Remember to click the first link in the video description below. And I'm so glad to be back. Thank you for being patient and waiting for me. I love you. I love you. I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.